Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. Today for you we have our demonstrator DBX. This vehicle is now available to purchase through the timeless scheme, or you can visit our website. It was registered in 2022 and is on a 72 plate. I believe it was October, and has travelled 2,500 miles from new. This is an active demo, so the mileage may well change slightly, but for the moment it has done 2,500 miles. This car is really cool. It's got a great colourway with a cool spec and a slight twist on the interior. So the exterior colour of this car, as you can probably see, is Xenon grey, which is a real sort of high fleck, very glossy paint. And we also have these beautiful satin black sport 22-inch wheels. We also have a black brake caliper behind, and then moving you around the front of the vehicle, running you through the specification of the car. We also have the black finish front grille on the front of the vehicle. So as the 22 model year DBX came around, there were a few changes to how you could spec one of these. So you could have this in a chrome or a black. Previously it was part of a package. We also have the black badge set, so we have the dark chrome badges on the front of the vehicle, and we also have the dark finish badges on the back, along with the black upper package, which included this lovely bonnet blade on the air vent. Also, you'll see the black side strake on the side of the vehicle, and we also have the gloss black mirror caps as well to match. Also part of the black upper package is your window surround across the top of the windows, and also your gloss black roof rail on the top. The last feature we'll show you shortly, which is on the back of the vehicle, is your black tail tips. As you can see, also we have the gloss black lower body package, so that's on the front bumper, the cladding or your side sills on the bottom of the doors, and that moves round onto your rear diffuser as well. Some other cool features on this car: we also have the laminated privacy glass on the side of the vehicle, so that aids with security for the back of the vehicle, but also sound coming inside the car as well. Moving around the back of the car, smoked rear lights, sports exhaust and black tail tips, as we say, and then we also, as I say, we have the chrome black badging on the back of the vehicle. But what we'll do is we'll give you a bit of a walk around the outside, and then we'll show you some of the interior features. So the inside of this car, we have got a great specification on the inside of this vehicle. So we have the semi-aniline leather interior. So this is finished in onyx black. So this is the top leather that you could have, with a contrasting stitching throughout the vehicle, as you can see here, finished in silver. We also have the perforated seats with the quilting on the shoulders of the seat as well. So we have the, I guess, sort of the Inspire comfort interior on this vehicle. So that gives you a lot of stuff sort of packaged together with the seat detailing. We also have a leather headlining as well, which is also part of that upper specification that you can order on the car. And we then also have a blackout blind on the panoramic roof. A couple of features I really like about this car: we have the phantom grey carpet in here, so just to lift the interior a little bit, so it's not quite black, but it's a slightly lighter black carpet. And we have this dark ash open pore wood. I think it looks really cool inside the car. We have it on the centre armrest here, and also 4 big slabs on the doors. So if you're looking for something that's just a little bit different from having a black piano interior, this would be ideal for you. We have heated and ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel on this car, and we have all your standard technology that you have on DBX, like your radar guided cruise control and all the other sort of safety features that you have. We have Apple CarPlay, which you can use your touchpad here to move around. But what we'll do is we'll just show you some of the bits that are in the back. As I say, what a cool place to be, this car, with the slightly lighter carpet and then all the detailing on the seats. Because this is a 22 model year vehicle, all those extras were packaged together. So you also got the heated and ventilated seats in the back of the car. I also forgot to mention the front seats are 16-way adjustable, and you also have the telephone charge pad. But this car is available on the, as I say, on the timeless scheme or here on the website. You can reserve the vehicle online, or we look forward to seeing you here in the showroom.